This is YouTube, and this is me. Not long ago, I decided to become a content creator. But as it turns out, besides scripting and recording, and editing is an essential part of content creation. And I'm a complete beginner. I've never even watched an editing tutorial. Will I be able to edit my first video? Or rather, how much can I learn? Okay, my recording is ready. Time to edit. Oh wait, I don't even have an editing software. I should probably get one. The best editing software ever. This one's too expensive. This one is hard to learn. This one is not for Windows. And this is more like it. Download. Let's run it. Create a new project, I guess. So I need to get my videos here. I think this one is obvious. Just import, select, open. There we are. But why is my video and audio are linked? Maybe right click will work? Yes, indeed. Extract audio. Perfect. Let's start with the audio. This was just awful. How do I cut this out? Maybe over here. Let's try this. Select here and here. Here we go. Can I find shortcuts here? Menu, help, shortcuts. Here we go. So Control B to split. Let's try this. Control B, and Control X to cut this. Oh wait, apparently I need to select audio first and then use a shortcut, because otherwise it would split my video, which is not exactly what I want. Why do I have to drag this audio every time after each deletion? It's so annoying. Maybe delete left? No, it just deletes everything to the last split point on the left. Which is cool by any means, but still doesn't solve the problem. So apparently this is called ripple delete, and it works only on the main track, which means that I can't actually use it without linking the audio and video, which is so much pain. Alright, my audio is done, but how do I collapse this into one track? Try to export as an audio and re-import? No, that seems like too much work. It seems like I need a transition. Let's try this tab. Oh, I can preview this? That's actually so cool. This one actually seems good. Nope, I was terribly wrong. Oh, so it's not a transition that I need, but a keyframe. What even is that? It appears that a keyframe is a marker on a clip which says, at this exact moment, this property should have this specific value. And when you set two keyframes with different values, the editor calculates all the frames in between the points and makes a transition from one to another. Wow, that's actually awesome. And if I need to adjust the speed, I just place them closer? Exactly. I am such a genius. And if I need to have more transition, do I place more keyframes? Yes. No, wait, why is this moving right now? Just add another keyframe with the same value, you moron. Oh, right. But how to make it in between two clips? Oh, so you place two intermediate keyframes with the same value. One at the end of the first clip, and the second at the start of another. Are there any guidelines? Yes, there are. Right here. You may also use this shortcut to enable them. Wait a second, why is this skewed right now? What the f... So apparently this square right here is responsible for a view perspective, and when I scrolled, it changed a view perspective and not the scale. So then, when I was adjusting the position and scale, it did it relative to the perspective, which caused the skewing. Now fixed. What do I place here? I have no idea. Let's do captions. Oh, there are auto captions. Let's see. Wow, they're actually good, but I don't like how it looks. Let's change the style a bit. This one seems cool. Oh, so changing style here changes it everywhere. That's awesome. Alright, how do I make a split screen? Move, done. And also I need a blur. I suspect I can find it right here. Blur. There we go. But can I make a transition? What if I try keyframes? They work. Great. As any real Chad, I need to add a subscribe screen. Maybe templates? No. Stickers? Yeah. Subscribe? Nope. Not this one. None of these are good. Subscribe and screen. This one's cool. Download. Drag it in here. But how do I remove this green screen? There it is. Remove chroma key. Finally, time to export. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I need a pro version. Well, let's bypass buy the pro version and we are done. Time to relax. Wait, what is this?
Your content, CapCut, and its parent company, ByteDance, can store, edit, reuse, or license your work forever for any purpose without compensation, and you lose all control over how your content is reused, displayed, or distributed.
So I just leaked my password to the China? Great. I should probably hurry to change them. And in the meantime, you may check the result over here. Thanks for watching.